bird. C is for clock. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grapes. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for notebook. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Yacht. Z is for zebra.